Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Form responses after submission. First, open your browser and go to the official Google Forms website or click the Google Apps icon and look for Google Forms. Once you're there, sign into your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main page where you can view or create forms. Click on the form where you want to delete responses. Once your form is open, look at the top of the screen and click on the Responses tab. This will show all the submitted responses for your form. If you're not the form owner, you cannot delete a response you submitted. Only the person who created the form can delete responses. If you're the form owner, click the three dots in the Responses tab. Select Delete All Responses to remove all submissions. Or, if linked to a Google Sheet, go into the sheet and manually delete rows. And that's it. That's how to delete your Google Form responses after submission. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.